Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's mix 1 cup of buttermilk with 1 cup of pancake mix in a bowl. The key here is to stir until you get a creamy, smooth consistency. You'll know it's perfect when there are no lumps and the batter runs off your spoon in a steady ribbon.
Now,
We'll heat our non-stick skillet over medium heat. This temperature is crucial for achieving those perfect crispy edges we're looking for. Let the pan heat for about 2-3 minutes. You'll know it's ready when you can feel the heat radiating when holding your hand about 6 inches above the surface. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of butter to our hot skillet. This combination is what gives us those amazing crispy edges. Wait until the butter is completely melted and starts to bubble slightly. That's your signal that the temperature is perfect. Let's pour our batter into the skillet. I like to use about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake, and make sure to leave enough space between them. The batter should make a gentle sizzling sound when it hits the pan. That's exactly what we want. Now comes the patience part. Let those pancakes cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges starting to look dry and crispy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The edges should be noticeably darker than the center. That's your visual cue that it's time to flip. Flipping time. Gently slide your spatula under each pancake and flip them over. The first side should be a beautiful golden brown. Cook this second side for about 2 minutes. You'll know they're done when the center of the pancake springs back slightly when touched. Finally, serve these beauties with the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter and your favorite syrup. The pancakes should have a satisfying crunch around the edges while staying perfectly fluffy. In the middle, a little tip: stack them on a warm plate to keep them at the perfect temperature while you finish cooking the rest. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
bye.